at the final steps of preparation of getting these two spacewalking astronauts ready for their expedition. For Wakata and Mann, this will be their first spacewalk. It was the 258th spacewalk in support of space station assembly, maintenance, and upgrades. For the two spacewalking astronauts, it was a first. It was the first space station spacewalk in 2023, but the fifth overall during this expedition, Expedition 68. For Wakata, this was his first spacewalk, so he gets the total runtime for today's spacewalk, which is again 7 hours 21 minutes. It's the same for Mann, 7 hours 21 minutes for her career as well. And that is the total runtime for today's spacewalk, which ended at 2:35 p.m. Central Time. If you take all of the 258 spacewalks that have been conducted in support of space station assembly, maintenance, and upgrades, you get a total of 68 days, 5 hours, and 47 minutes.